want to go,
No,
wait,
it's okay.
you want to go out?
No, I just want to make sure I get everything clear. 'Cause
Oh, so
I
you're
don't always
recording
do.
it.
Yeah, just,
Oh.
yeah.
Your, so your case is a criminal case that's pending.
Rubber beans,
So-
rubber beans.
If you handle your case today, you're actually gonna be like resolving your criminal case, like entering a plea.
Mhm.
And I don't know if this is the court to do that in, especially given what you just told me. Because this attorney, like anyone who did handle the court in regular court, the attorney would be able to explain all your rights to you, any defenses that you have, what the offer the state's making to you. I don't think that this is the court today that you should be doing that, because I don't have any of that information. I don't have
Well, that's why I don't know why I'm here. I got something from the county saying be here, so I'm not getting another false warrant for me, so I can't.
Did you register for the event?
Oh, I have a literal order from the clerk of courts to be here.
Yeah, but the only way that someone got put on the docket today is if you registered for the event.
Oh, I have court ordered here.
I understand. When you let me see,
So-
do you have it?
Yeah.
When you're put on the docket for today, you get a notice to be here. But the only way that you would get put on the docket today is if you or someone registered for you.
Okay, then that's must have been what happened, and that's what I don't know why.
You're Bradley Golden,
Yeah,
right?
that's all.
Okay.
Police, huh? That's my dog. That's my dog right there.
Yeah, that's the one for this event. But you only, this event is by registration only. It's not mandatory. It's something that.
But I got court order to be here.
I understand.
Last time they did that, they put a warrant on me.
Well, that's what I'm trying to explain to you, though. If you didn't register for the event, someone must have registered for you.
Okay.
But I don't think that you should resolve your case here today.
Why not?
Because it's a criminal case.
All right.
There's repercussions if you enter a plea of guilty.
Oh, I'm not going to do that.
Well, then you can't do it here today.
Okay.
Because today is not, you're not going to be able to have a trial here. You have to do that in a regular courthouse downtown.
So what was the purpose of being here now?
Well, that's what I'm trying
criminal
to.
stuff, right? You help people with. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to point it, but I'm like they said criminal. They help with fines, whatever else going on, right?
Yeah, but your case doesn't have fines yet because you haven't resolved it. Your case is still pending, and so if you don't want to enter a plea of guilty or resolve the charges some way.
But they don't want to resolve it. They're guilty in false paper, false documents in the court. Look why I'm here from this court paperwork. Look what would happen if I hadn't shown up. See what I'm saying?
You wouldn't have gotten a warrant today because this is a voluntary.
I don't know that. How do I not know that when that happened to me already? You know.
Someone registered for you.
That doesn't sound like a registration. It's like a court order to come here.
I'm explaining to you how. I'm explaining it to you though. It isn't. This event is voluntary. Everybody who's here registered online to participate in the event.
All right.
That's the only way you get on this docket.
Unless the court say, right?
No, the court sends those notices out once you are put on this docket so that you know where to go.
Okay, then someone put me on here for a reason. Then, right?
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out because we don't register.
Or did they
people.
put me just come down here and plead out and say guilty of a cop breaking in my house and taking my stuff and put me in jail for 3 days?
Someone had to have registered you for the event.
You won't help with that, right?
I don't know who registered you.
You won't help with that, though, right?
How would I help? I don't know who did it. I don't know who registered you.
I'm just saying the whole situation of this, right? So I can't because I'm fighting Hillsborough County because they all shares broke into my house and forced me and put me in jail.
If you want to fight the charges, you have to do it in the regular court.
Okay, so you're here just to say, okay, let it go. Oh, okay. Thank you.
No, I'm not saying let it go. I'm saying if you want to fight the charges,
right.
you have to do it.
You're saying, okay, if I don't let it go, I'm on my own. Okay, I got you.
That's not what I said. If you want to fight these charges,
Uh-huh.
you can't do it at this court date.
Right.
You have to do it in the.
I have another court date. I already had an arraignment Monday.
Okay.
That's why I was confused about why they said I had a hearing.
Do you have another
today.
Court date with that judge? Did they give you another court date?
Trial on the 29th, I guess, something like that.
Okay, So that's the day that you need to address this case.
But I don't even know what I'm addressing because I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, if you have trial, that's what the trial's for.
But aren't you guys here to help veterans?
But this event can't handle your trial. If you want to have a trial on this charge, this event is not for that.
You can't help me prepare my case or anything. I'm literally on my own with TBI. Policemen broke into my house.
Were you appointed at the public defender's office?
He tried to get me to plead just like you're doing.
I'm not trying to get you to plead anything.
They broke in my house and blocked me, stole my stuff.
Were you appointed a lawyer for the public defender's office?
I don't know. Some guy told me to go plead. That's it. So he never talked to me before the court date. Just come in the courtroom and talk. And how are all my rights being violated? How come I don't have any rights at all?
You do have rights.
Okay, so I'm assuming I was here because somebody thought maybe being a veteran they would help me. But I guess it's just about pleading
I can go
out.
see what information was put in the registration, like email address and stuff like that. I don't know if that's going to tell me who registered you.
Yeah, I want to know because this is, like I say, this court papers, right? And I'm not showing to the one Monday.
Well, yes, if you're not showing up on Monday, because that's a different type of
But
court.
I don't know that. That's when I get these from the
It's
court.
fine. You're
right?
here. You're not going to get a warrant. You're not going to get a capias. Nothing's going to happen today. All I'm saying is I don't think that you should handle your case in this court today, because what it sounds like is you want to have a trial and fight the charges, and that has to happen on the other court date downtown.
Okay, so you don't think, or do I just don't qualify to, my case don't qualify to argue in this court?
You can't argue your case in this court.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This could be transferred
All right.
to veterans treatment.
Do you have a lawyer?
Nope.
Do you want one?
Anyone that won't tell me to plead out, yeah.
Okay. You don't have to get aggressive with me or angry with me. I'm trying to help you.
Ma'am, I just said anyone who won't tell me to plead out or not, yeah. How is that?
I didn't tell you to plead out.
How is that aggressive to me?
Okay. If you don't want my help,
No,
you can plead.
I'm just asking, ma'am.
If you don't
Yes.
want my help, then
I want someone's help.
Okay, but
You just asked me, and I said yes. If they're willing to help me, yes. So you have someone that could probably help me?
you have. Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Were you appointed a lawyer from the public defender's office?
I wasn't pointing to anyone. I hadn't talked to anyone. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what's going on with anything. Some guy just did just like you did, say try to plead out.
I didn't say try to plead out.
Or didn't say fight. He didn't say fight. Just
Yes, I
like
did.
that's what I'm saying.
I said a bunch of times, if you want to fight this, you can't do it at this event.
Right.
I've told you that.
Right.
I'm not saying don't fight. I'm saying you can't do it here.
Right. Okay. That's basically the same thing.
No, it's not.
Okay. So you just said you had someone who may? Yes.
You can pass Mr. Gold's case.
I gotta pass it?
Yeah.
Why?
Mr. Brooks.
Why are you passing? I can talk to the judge. And,
No, I don't think you should talk to the judge.
Why would I not? Why would you think I shouldn't?
Because you don't want to, come on here.
If I have a chance to talk to the judge, that's who I need to, man.
You're not going to be allowed to talk about the facts of your case and argue your case and
What?
argue and have a trial here
If
today.
the judge can tell me that, man, right? But I'm here. That's all. I'm not trying to be smart or anything. I'm scared. I'm confused. I don't know what's going
Yeah, but
on.
you're not listening. You're fighting with
No,
me.
I'm not. I'm asking you. I can't go in
Let's
there and
go
let
in
the
the
judge.
room in private so that people don't hear all your business.
I just want to get my name's on the list. Can I just wait quietly till they call me?
It's not a good idea for you to go in there and try to argue your case. That's not what,
I
that's not what
understand
we're
what
here
you're
for
saying. I
today.
just, as long as I'm there and the judge tell me, okay, go now, then I'm okay. I just want to be able to say, let the judge say whatever
To
they
say
need to
what?
say. Whatever I'm here for, man. They just
That's
call
what
my
I'm
name.
telling you.
So can
I'm
I
trying
get it?
to, come over here.
I just want a chance to call him, to talk. If he tells me he can't do anything, go handle it out, then that's okay. But I'm here. Why can't you just call my name? So let me please just
Because
talk.
the event is for if you had fines or fees that you needed help
Well, the
paying,
judge knows why I'm
which
here,
you
right?
don't.
The judge knows why I'm here.
No, he doesn't know that
There are
you're,
fines on it. There's bail on it. There's fines on it.
that's not the same. That's not the same. You have a pending criminal case. You would be able to resolve this case today here if you wanted to accept the state's offer. You've told me you don't want to accept any
Well, let me see
offer.
what the judge say. I don't know. Let me see what the judge offers.
That's what I'm saying though. You told me you don't want to plead guilty. The offer is going to be for a guilty plea.
Well, I don't know. How do I know that, man?
Because the judge doesn't make offers. The state attorney makes offers, and that's what she told me. There's two different ways you can resolve your case, but what I'm trying to explain to you is, if I explain it to you here, you don't have an opportunity to think about it. You don't have an opportunity to weigh whether or not it's the right decision for you. The offer is going to still be the same if you go to a regular courtroom.
See this young man here? And the other guy that just went in there? They got their names called, and they went without anyone interfering. Why can't I
Because they
go?
don't have pending criminal charges.
So you're still waiting.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
So we need to go back in there waiting, then someone will
They just
come in there and they'll walk you over to the area.
'Cause you're on the
to take care of
docket.
that last part.
But
So can I go let the judge tell me herself? Tell him herself. Please.
So they have
That's
to
all
go
I'm asking.
back in. So if you all notice,
Like your hat. And then they told me to do. Man, listen.
Now I'm all the way here, I'm talking to the judge, and I have
She did everything.
Let the judge tell me. I'm back on the docket.
Yeah, that's what I said too. We've been doing this, we've been doing this 5-6 years now. Yeah.
I wish I had known, man.
Yeah. Man, I'm sure because
Let me talk with
a lot of the same guys,
That's why I'm.
every year. You know, I just wait till they'll get you.
In one of these other courtrooms.
Yeah, because we have a female judge around.